everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. I'm coming along with our monthly open collab that is called Finally Crafting It. It is hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On, and it's every month, every third week of the month on Wednesday. And yeah, just it's basically using those items that you haven't crafted with. It could be dies, it could be stamps, it could be embossing folders, it could be anything, or unfinished projects that you just haven't had a time to do. Anyways, so you're welcome to hop on and join us at any time. And let me go ahead and show you what I ended up crafting. I'm actually not finished. Um, I've had these stamps for, oh my goodness, the longest time. And I do believe I bought these at, let me see, Tuesday morning? Was it? Yeah, I think so. Anyway, so I have this one. And then I also have, well, I have a few of them. And then I also have this one. This one is, this was the thank you, thanks. And this one is the make it wish. It's mostly the celebrate birthday sentiments, and this is the welcome baby. So yeah, anyway, so I have not actually used these at all, and I've had these for years, you guys, like totally for years. And yeah, and I also had this. I've tried stamping with this previously, but I don't know what happened. I don't think I just think I did one stamp or two and that was it. So I'm finally, yeah, I finally started. I pulled out, my stamps, which I have already organized. Oh, and then I used this right here, you guys. This one, oh my goodness, this is probably an old Dollar Tree stamp that I'm not too sure if I was gifted this or I purchased it. I want to say I was gifted this. I don't remember who gifted this to me. I do apologize. So yeah, so this is what I ended up stamping, and I actually stamped more than this. So there you go. And I am using all my scraps. You know how when you do Cricut cutting or you just don't finish a whole white sheet. So that's what I ended up doing. So I have a big mess right here because I was like, yeah, I was trying to do everything at once. I did have to fussy cut these. So here you guys are. And and this is my fussy cutting. This is my coloring. I'm not too good at coloring yet, you guys. Oh my goodness, I struggle big time. So there you guys go. And then, oh, I also ended up using I haven't used these in a while, so I ended up using my, what is it, like decorative scissors. And yeah, so I was cutting them straight, and then I figured, oh my goodness, like, why don't I just use these scissors? They've been sitting here for a while. So this is what I did. I went ahead and did the edge like kind of like a ticket. So yeah, so that's what I have been doing. So I've been stamping, and then I did like distress some of this. Here is the coloring that I did, and then I did have to go to Walmart and buy me some markers to color because I only had like a few of them, and they, it's just the same colors over and over. I did try pencil coloring, it didn't work too good. I did try my Sharpies. I love using my Sharpies, but colors all seem to blend in regardless if it's like not cool. These are like Walmart kitty ones. But they all seem to blend in the same color, so I'm not too sure. Anyway, so let me go ahead and show you what I ended up creating. So this one was one of my last ones. This one was my first one over here. Sorry, and I have a few other ones that I'm working on. So this one was my first one. So as you guys can see, my fuzzy cutting was, better on here. And then yeah. Anyways, it's a learning process. I do have this die. This was from Nick. Oh my goodness, Nicole. I forgot. Anyway, she does cathyscreativekrafts, so she had her bundle, her first bundle, and I did buy it. So I went ahead and die cut that and just dress this right here. And yeah, there you guys go. That is it. That is what I worked on. I have more of these, but I don't want to show them. But anyways, that is what I've been working on. And thank you guys for joining along. Hopefully you guys can join. And if you guys weren't able to, you guys can still do it any time of the month. It doesn't have to necessarily be on the third week, Wednesday. But as long as if you guys want to join in, you guys are welcome to join in at any time. And just I want to thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.